Welcome to another video tutorial on buildsitefromscratch.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to be covering basic CSS syntax. So right now I got an HTML document right here, and I got my main.css. That's where I'll be writing the CSS syntax. And we already have that linked up right here with the HTML tag link. So basically, I'm going to try to show you how to write CSS. So our focus will be on just these two tags for now. So first we'll be writing CSS syntax or style in this particular tag. So we want to make this color blue, and we want to change the font size. And we're going to do that to p tag 2. So let's get started. So now that we know what selector we want to style, in this case we'll start out with h1. We'll say h1. This is what we call the selector. We're selecting this element to style. It's followed by an opening curly braces and a closing curly braces. And this is a mandatory because all the styles that we're going to apply to this selector will be within these two curly braces. So for instance, if you wanted to change the color to blue, we would say color. And this is what we call a property name. And we're going to followed by a colon. Then we're going to set what color do we want this h1 tag to have. So for instance, we want to have for blue. So blue is what we call a value. Followed by a value is a semicolon. And this is one style that we're applying to h1. And this whole statement is called declaration. And you could have as many as declaration you want. And all the declaration pretty much ends with the semicolon. So that's pretty much it for in terms of CSS syntax. Selector, opening and closing braces. Within that you are applying your styles to that selector. So if I go back and I say design, there you go, it's blue. And I can do the same thing for paragraph. Go back, paragraph, opening and closing braces, and I'm going to set the color to color and then colon, red, semicolon. And then if I go back, it'll be red. So I could pretty much apply as many as properties I want to this particular selector. I say font size, I want to set it to 18px. As you'll see, the paragraph size will be 18px. So there's so many property names and values that are provided by CSS. And if you take a look at the introduction video, you could see what are offered by W3C and what's being supported by browsers. So that is it for basic CSS syntax. Thank you for watching this video. Please take a look at my next video. Thank you. Bye.